Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix OmeTV not working on your Android phone. If the app is not opening, getting stuck, or not working properly, try these simple solutions one by one. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then open OmeTV again. If the internet is working but OmeTV is still not responding, close the app completely and open it again. Next, check if OmeTV has the required permissions. Open your phone settings, search for OmeTV, and tap on it. Then go to permissions and make sure the necessary permissions, such as camera and microphone, are allowed. If the problem still continues, you can try clearing the app's cache. Go back to settings, search for apps, and open the app settings. Find OmeTV and tap on it. Now select storage or storage and cache, depending on your phone. Then tap clear cache. After clearing the cache, open OmeTV again and check if the problem is fixed. Another thing you can try is restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary app or system issues. Also, check whether an update for OmeTV is available in the Google Play Store. If there's an update, install it and then try opening the app again. If OmeTV is still not working, the issue could be related to a temporary service problem, your network, or an account-related restriction. In that case, check the app's official support options and wait for any temporary issue to be resolved. So, these are some simple methods you can try when OmeTV is not working on Android. This video is made for educational purposes based on online data, not personal experience. Settings and options may vary depending on your Android device, Android version, and OmeTV app version. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.